6 Honest Facts About Labor Day. Labor Day, a commemoration of the struggle for workers' rights in the United States, has its roots in the nation's history from its beginnings. This holiday is celebrated on the first Monday of September, and it honors the efforts of workers, unions, and activists throughout history who contributed to the progress of America. In 1882, a remarkable show of unity took place in New York City, where some 20,000 union workers marched through Lower Manhattan. Decorated with individuals on horseback, various uniforms, and badges, this vibrant parade was a celebration of the city's dedicated union workers. Although a day's wages were sacrificed to attend, they enjoyed the festivities. The following year saw this tradition continue. While New York pioneered the initial parades and legislation recognizing Labor Day, it was Oregon that officially recognized the holiday in 1887. The state has set the first Saturday in June to celebrate it, which distinguishes it. After that, Colorado, Massachusetts, New Jersey and New York embraced the holiday. However, it wasn't until 1894 that Congress declared Labor Day a national holiday, an ordinance signed into law by President Grover Cleveland. The decision to celebrate Labor Day on the first Monday in September was not only intended to commemorate the achievements of workers. Rather, it was also intended to divert attention from a darker phase in U.S. labor history. While the global norm is to honor workers on May 1st, which is International Workers' Day. Because of the Haymarket riots of 1886, the United States chose a different path. A violent clash between Chicago police and workers. This led to the birth of International Workers' Day in 1889. The origins of Labor Day date back to the 19th century, a period rich in pivotal moments in the labor movement, both in the United States and around the world. Remarkably, the U.S. Department of Labor did not come into existence until decades later. While agencies such as the Bureau of Labor Statistics and the Department of Commerce and Labor were created, the modern U.S. Department of Labor did not emerge until 1913. Under President William Howard Taft, this institution now protects workers' rights, ensuring a safe working environment. A strange fashion tradition associated with Labor Day involves banning the wearing of white clothes after the summer season. This unwritten rule, with its roots in the 19th century, was a sign of class discrimination, as white clothing was considered appropriate for weddings and entertainment. Labor Day, which unofficially marks the end of summer, has become associated with this practice. Although these guidelines are largely outdated today, they have persisted for more than a century, reflecting the social nuances of the past.